Sir, you are not audible. Hello, sir. You are not audible. You are not audible, sir.
Now, now, are you able to audible my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So initially you need to say that, okay? No issue. I will start the class again. Okay, actually the mistake done is what my mic was muted. Okay, I have not observed that. So uh, actually these are very free classes. I started to teach the programming to enhance the programming skills throughout the world. Especially, I want to connect the rural world. So I started these classes since 2023 January. So initially, I started. I have completed and 85% of Python, Java, that is backend side programming. Then after I started to front end programming, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So in the Friday and Saturday class, I tried to teach HTML. In HTML, how to utilize the text formatting. Okay, text formatting, it is a feature. uh, how to bold your text, how to italicize a text, somewhat tilted text. If you want to make your text small and superscript means in superscript x cubed. If you want to write x cubed, that moment 3 will be kept over the x in small font, that is called superscript. Subscript means suppose in chemical formulas, H2O is a molecule of water. So that moment if you want to keep your 2 just bottom of H. Okay, so and if you want to mark anything, mark, suppose bring 1 liter of milk. Within that, if you want to mark this milk with somewhat color, okay, and if you want to style your background color with somewhat color. So in the Saturday section I tried to brief that. Now you do one thing, you save as you, if you are attending this class first time. Okay, that moment you can refer my, you can attend my, you can watch my videos in my channel, so that you can understand the whatever the classes you have missed yourself. Okay, Tejas or Rana, you are attending from where, my dear?
Yes, sir.
You are attending from where?
Uttarakhand, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Uttarakhand, which location?
Roorkee.
Pardon?
Uttarakhand, Roorkee.
Roorkee.
Yes, sir. Roorkee.
Roorkee, I know Roorkee. Okay, 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 no issue. So I told you that in your computer, make a folder like I have created my web. Within that, whatever the code you are creating, please store in that your folder with a name. Okay, file name, anything you can keep yourself. File name, suppose today is a file. Today is a file, and that file to be stored as a hypertext markup language file. Now save this file. Okay, and then go to your, you go to your computer, open your file explorer. Within that, try to find out your folder. My folder is kept in my documents. Okay, and within that, try to open that, try to find out that today, where is that today? Today is a hypertext file I have created. So there is, where is that today? Today is not here. no issue. Again, you go to your code in Notepad. Okay, this is the code, and you again save this file, save as. Okay, and try to save in your, this is in my PC documents, my web is a folder. Within this, today is here, but okay, no issue. Today again try to save it, overwrite. Now open your file explorer. Where is that? To so find out that today, okay, and okay, my web, in my web, this is the file. Okay, so whenever you click on that, so see here what happened in the previous class. As I told you that we can, that is what your website is, background color is what, this is the background color, this is the header section, our superheroes, this is Tejeswar Rana is paragraph. So this is what H2O, this is as I told you that subscripted. Here 2 is written just bottom of H. This is X cubed, 3 is superscripted. I told you that milk is what marked. So I told you that this is the code we have written. So if you want to see your code, control U. Whenever you type control U, you will be able to see that code. You will be, but you will not be able to amend the code. Okay, if you want to amend code, you need to go for your here. This is now I will explain some more code. That is what I told you that this is the comment section. Here comment is what, this line of code will not be read by your browser. Okay, this is the comment section. Now somewhat one more, that is what, suppose if you want to delete anything, so that is what tag p means paragraph tag, p means, then after if you want to delete anything, okay, so delete start. Okay, now here suppose my favorite color is red, my favorite my favorite color is red. So now you want to delete this red, so that moment you need to use red. Okay, and close the tag with end tag. I told you that every time end tag will be used started with forward slash. Okay, this is what delete start tag, this is the content, this is the end tag. That moment the total is called from here del to del start tag to del end tag. This is called element, this is called del element. So here this red color will be deleted, then after use the close with your paragraph end tag, close with paragraph end tag. Okay, now what happened here, this my favorite color is red. So here whatever the color you want to delete, so that color text name that is to be kept in del element. Okay, now what happened, your browser will strike this red. Okay, it will strike this red. So this is called using of del element. So let us try to understand one more element, that is insert element. So insert element, if you want to insert like same thing, my favorite color is, my favorite color color is red. Okay, now here this will be deleted, use del tag. Okay, then after mention red. Okay, mention red. Okay, next end with end tag, end with del end tag. Okay, next insert. Suppose that in place of red, if you want to insert anything, use insert element. Okay, after that, whatever the color you want to mention, blue. Okay, blue, and then close with the end tag, insert end tag. Okay, ins. Now try to understand. Then after close your paragraph section, paragraph close with paragraph end tag. Okay, P. Now try to understand the code. It is very important to understand that here. Try to understand what is happening here. This is what paragraph. Okay, within the paragraph element, my favorite color is red. So this is what my favorite color is red. This is the content, means text. So if you want to delete this red, so you need to use del tag. Okay, del start tag. So this is the content red. After that, end tag of del content, del element. Next, if you want to insert blue in place of red, so that blue will be underlined. That blue will be underlined. Okay, here from ins means insert to insert is a start tag of insert element, and this is end tag of insert element. Now this blue is content that will be underlined. So let us see what happened here. Save this code. Save as same today. Save as overwrite. Now open your file explorer. Now close this one. Open this one. So see what happened here. In your see, this is what so the blue in place of red, blue to be inserted, but that moment red to be removed. Red to be removed. So come to the code. What happened here? Try to understand. So here the mistake you have done, this paragraph element, you need to start with the paragraph element. Okay, like this. Okay, this mistake you have done. Okay, now this is the paragraph element started with start tag. This is the end tag. Okay, understood that. So that moment try to understand. My favorite color is red. Now red is what? Deleted. So it is a browser, what it will do, it will strike this red. And then my favorite color is red, it will be striked, and blue will be added. So then what happened? Blue will be underlined. So that because we have used here insert element, okay, with the start tag, end tag. So let us save this code again. Save this code. Same file name today. Okay, now open your file explorer. Try to open this code. Now try to understand what happened here. See, my favorite color is red. Okay, now red is what? Red is strikeout. Red is strikeout, and my favorite color is red. In place of red, okay, blue inserted. Blue inserted. So these are what somewhat formatting text features. So we will try to understand somewhat add your how to add video. How to add video. So comment here, comment, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, how to insert video in your web page. Web page. So comment then after. So this line of code will not be executed. This line of code will not be executed. How to insert video in your web page. So for this we will use video element here. For this we will use video element with what? VIDO. Video. Video is an element. Okay. So that will be used to insert your so now what happened? Try to understand here how to insert video in your web page. So this is the comment. This line of code will not be read by your browser. So we need to use here HTML video element. Okay, that is used to show a video on a web page. So if you want to show video in your web page, video element we need to use here. So syntax is what you know. You need to write the syntax like this. Okay, video. Then use the attributes width. Okay, see here width. Select this one. Width is an attribute. Okay, so this attribute it is to be assigned with a value. So that value assign value always will be mentioned in quotes. Width what somewhat width you need to mention 400 pixels. Okay, 400 pixels. Now then what height? Okay, HEIGH, the height height is what somewhat attribute is equal to we need to assign some pixel value 300, suppose 300. Okay, always this value to be mentioned in quotes, double quotation marks. Okay, now then we need to add some controls. So control is attribute. What it does, the control attribute will be used to place the controls like pause, play, stop. Okay, so all that video controls, play, pause, stop, they will be added. Okay, now close this video element. Close this video element. So video element started. Okay, and this attributes with height mentioned with the pixel values, and then controls attribute added. Okay, next we need to mention the source. Already I have explained the previous classes. Source is what? Source, that is so let us use the source element source with src. Src is what? Attribute. Source is an element to insert the to take the picture from a source. So we need to mention the source of picture, video. Okay, so src is an attribute that is to be mentioned inside of source element. So now source attribute must be assigned with a value, that is we need to give the path of your picture. Where is your picture? So let us see that picture is where. So you in your computer try to get any video. Okay, go into properties of that video and try to get the, this is what properties, this is the path. Okay, this is the path of your, try to get this, copy this location, copy this location, copy this location. Okay, control C. Now come to your code. Here you try to paste this, okay, location. Now you keep this location, okay, inside of your double quotation marks, double quotation marks. Okay, now means source attribute that has been kept in your source element. Okay, after that attribute is assigned with a value where your video is in your computer. Then after we need to say the type. Type is what? Type. Type is what? It is also an attribute. We need to mention here for this attribute type. We need to mention what? We need to mention video is which type of video. It is MP4 video, WAV. Okay. So we need to mention that in, okay, video, okay, forward slash MP4. Okay, close with double quotation and now close. Okay, this source element is now closed. Source element use it to keep your source wherever your video is there. So that path you need to copy that path. You need to copy that path and that value to be assigned to source attribute. Then we need to mention type. The type is an attribute. It is to be assigned with a MP4. Okay, video oblique MP4. Now close your video. Close your video element. Okay, that is what video. So now what happened? Now try to understand. This is the video element. Video element started. Okay, this is started and this with the start tag. Video element started with start tag and it is closed with end tag. Video. Understood that? So now try to let us try to run this code. First of all, save this code. Okay. Okay. Now save this code. Save as save as same name today. Okay, with the hypertext markup language file. Save, overwrite. Now open your file explorer and in your file explorer go to your documents and then go into your folder where your file is stored. Now this today is my now here let us see. This is what now this is your video is okay. Now let us try to understand whether it is being run or not. The video is not being run, so we need to find out that what is the exact problem, why the video is not inserted in our web page. Okay, in our web page, why the video is not inserted. Okay, so we need to go into the code again, open the code here. You do one thing. In place of giving this total path, you copy that video wherever your video is there. You copy that video go into your documents, Bandicam, wherever your video is there. Okay, so you copy any video. Okay, copy this video and come into your folder. That is what, that video to be kept in your folder. Video to be kept in your folder. Okay, now this is your video. Understood? This is mp4 video file. This is the name of your, this is the name of your video. So copy this video name, copy this video name and come to your notepad. In place of this in place of this value, you paste that value. Okay, so whatever the video you want to insert in your web page, that video must be kept in your folder. Understood that? Now go for your file, save as in your my web. Within that, with the same name today, save. Now open your file explorer and try to open this. Today is my file within your web page. Whether your video is able to be, we will be able to run or not. So now your video is inserted. Now run this. So what happened in your web page? In your web page, video is being run. Suppose if you want to insert it, if you want to change this video size, go into to change this video size pixels. You understood that? So this is what in your web page you have tried to understand how to insert video. The mistake what I did here, try to here for this. This is the your. This is what here dot mp4. We need to add dot mp4. Understood? The path, whatever the video, that video to be, so the video path, that video to be kept inside of your folder. This is my folder which is created for my web page designing, website designing, and all that code whatever I want to I am designing for that website may have so many pages. Every page code that is to be stored in your this folder. And if any video, any photos are there, this is the photo. Okay, and if this photo, your video, everything that is to be kept must be kept in your folder. And then after in the code, this is what I told you, that so I told you that don't give the paths, simply you write the name of that video. And we need to mention the extension of your, so we need to mention that this is a video of mp4. Understood that? So and then if you want to learn some word, that is what